This is how to add a shadow in Affinity. Start by selecting the object you want to apply the shadow to in the Layers panel. Open the Layer Effects menu at the bottom of the panel. In the list of effects, find Outer Shadow and check the box to enable it. You'll now see several controls. Increasing the radius will spread the shadow further from the object, making it appear larger and softer. Intensity controls how strong the shadow appears, so raising it will make the shadow stand out more. Opacity adjusts how dark the shadow is overall. Next, use the Offset slider to move the shadow in different directions. This changes where the shadow falls relative to the object. The Angle slider works alongside Offset and rotates the direction of the shadow, giving you full control over where the light source appears to be. If you want a perfectly even shadow surrounding the whole object, set Offset to 0. You can also return to Radius at any point to make the shadow bigger if needed. Once you're finished, click Close